After you open the box, you will find the lever right here, which you have to unscrew using these screws. After removing the lever, you have to slide the tablet out with two people. It's heavy. On it you will find the temporary legs which you use to maneuver the piano over the legs. You have to cut the straps and remove these screws, and then you can remove them. After removing the securing buttons, you can remove the seat, including the music stand. Now you can remove all the packing materials and included screws and accessories, and remove the last button to remove the foot. For removing the foot, you will need the lever you removed previously and 4 strong guys, as well as strong straps, so about half a ton capacity. It's easiest to use the lever, insert it like this into the foot, and lift the back so the straps can be slid on. After that, slide the lever through and use it for removing the foot from the pallet. Now use the lever again to remove the straps securely. As you can see, right off the factory, here are adjusting screws. Here, here, and here, you use to level the piano. For the next part, so you will need to cut the straps and remove these 2 screws, and then you can slide out the legs you use to move the piano. As you can see, here are securing screws. The height is set at the factory, so you can just screw them under the piano. Now you can position the piano roughly over the foot. Stop. After that, you apply the brakes. And use the spanner to rotate the levers after removing the security screws.
Christian, mal Stopp bitte? Ja, Stopp, jetzt müssen wir mal ein bisschen positionieren. Ein Stückchen zur Tür. Ja, warte, okay, Stopp, jetzt. Zu Lisa nochmal Stücke. Ja, Fälle, zurück. So, runterlassen alles bitte.
Warte mal.
Noch ein paar Stückchen, können wir dann nochmal ein Stückchen zur Tür schieben oder wie? Zieht mal zur Tür, also zur Treppe ziehen. So nur beim Christian eigentlich.
After putting in the screws loosely, you measure the piano height and set the adjustment with the adjusting screws below.